Yo guys, I just exited my house. I just want to go walk on the ice, something like that. And while doing that, I want to talk with you. And today I'm gonna talk about the first step to diversifying your income, and which should be the first place you diversify and why. So, assuming you already have your first source of income, whether it's your business or whether it's like your job, whatever it is, focus on that primarily. I don't recommend you to diversify until you've become like at least semi-successful at it, right? You don't want to diversify too fast because then you won't have any time to like develop your primary business or your job, like your job, stuff like that. That is super important. Don't start diversify too fast, because if you will, you'll just end up failing. You won't succeed at all because you won't have time to like work on it, right? It's pretty much like what Elon Musk is doing. He started with PayPal, he mastered it, he made it grow, he sold it. Then he opened up Tesla, then he opened up Solar City, then he opened up, SpaceX. And he didn't ever open everything up at once, because if he would have done that, then the diversification would be good. It would be like pretty shit. Almost shit. I don't know if I'll be able to get on the ice. But yeah, as I said, I'm gonna tell you which should be the best first place to start your diversification. And oh shit, it's actually sketchy. The first place should be personal brand. I have my own personal brand and I know what it takes, to build a successful one. Reinis Fit, my personal brand, Reinis Fit, it's really successful, and I know how to make a successful personal brand, so I'm teaching you guys over here. The thing is, with a personal brand, you have to create content, and to create high quality content, or like high quality informational content, you don't have to edit as much. If you want to create pretty looking content, you'll have to edit, right? You'll have to edit more. But if you're making money already, then you can hire an editor who does that for you. And that's if you want to, make pretty looking content, or you just want to have a pretty good personal brand with, right off the bat while starting. So that's super important. Then another thing with personal branding is you can do pretty much whatever you want. Like for example, right now I decided to go for a walk and I just took my camera, and while walking I just wanted to talk to you. I just wanted to, give my thoughts to you and share some information with you. And yeah, like it's the thing, like if you're an entrepreneur, you can document your journey, you can document what you're doing, your failures, your successes, everything. You can document that. Like it can be like a journal for you, right? And people are going to be interested in that, because like for example, look at Gary Vaynerchuk. Like he used to give out a lot of valuable advice. Now he just like puts on 30 minutes of him just working, and people are watching that. And yeah, people like that, and he's built a really successful personal brand, which allows him to, go public speaking. It helps his business, actually. This is another crucial part. Your personal brand will help your business. Like, for example, Patrick Bet-David, if he has bigger influence, people are going to trust him more, right? If I were to start a business X and I would, create a personal brand around it, even if the business doesn't go like successful, and I have a personal brand, I'm kind of contradicting myself, because at the start I told you should already have an established first source of income for you to diversify. But yeah, I forgot to tell you that personal branding is kind of an exception, because with personal branding, you can like start when you start your business, like document everything. People are going to be interested in that. And that's the power of a personal brand. And with a personal brand, you build your influence. You get trusted more. You'll get connections. You'll network, stuff like that. You'll just grow so much, right? Like your network is your net worth. And with your personal brand, it just increases that. It can increase it by fucking goddamn how many percent? Like 10,000%. Like I shit you not, I'm not over exaggerating. And yeah. Oh fuck, my home's back there. I want to get on ice, but everything right here, it's semi-frozen, so it's kind of sketchy. Okay, I'm not going. But yeah, so guys, I'm gonna actually go inside. So, with this in mind, I'm gonna refer you to a video I created on how to create a successful page by scratch that gets followers and super fast. So click up here to see that. And yeah guys, or up here, probably can be up here because it's the end of the video. And yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm just gonna go finish my walk properly without speaking into a camera. And yeah guys, thank you so much for watching, and peace.